Hi, I'm Mark Reyes from LongPoint ETFs. Welcome to our weekly video on trading leveraged crude oil ETFs. Remember, it's CLUP for 2 times long exposure and CLDN for 2 times short exposure. For trading, look for potential pricing surprises and position based on your own views. It's been a slightly negative week for crude oil prices, with front-month futures trading at around $66.50 USD, up about 2% month-to-date. News on the geopolitical front this week shifted away from the Middle East to Russia as the U.S. imposed a 50-day deadline for Russia to end the war in Ukraine and avoid sanctions. This eased concerns about any immediate supply disruption. If the likelihood of disruption falls, the perceived chances of a supply glut later in the year will gain momentum with traders. The OPEC Plus supply increase, backing out previous reductions, is definitely weighing in on markets. If geopolitical news declines, keep an eye on traditional measures like inflation that could have a greater pricing impact. Released monthly, U.S. CPI came at 2.7% on July 15th, generally in line with expectations. As well, U.S. crude oil inventories decreased by about almost 4 million barrels this week, still 8% below the 5-year average at this time. Again, inventories remain something to keep an eye on, although geopolitical events could still dominate price movement. Thanks for watching. Please click to subscribe and check in next week for more trading updates. Head on over to longpointetfs.com for more information and to see our blog.